Welcome children. Take out your geography book. Chapter 9 India, Natural Vegetation, Wildlife and Conservation. Today's topic is Vegetation Belts of India. In India, various vegetation belts can be observed. The type of vegetation found in a region is related to its relief features and climatic condition. Now, vegetation belts. Okay. In India, what happened? Various type of vegetation belts they can be seen, and the various types of vegetation which are found in the region, and they are related to the relief features even the climatic condition. Five major vegetation belts may be recognized on the basis of varieties of trees found in each of them. Now, five major vegetation belts, they can be recognized. How they can be recognized? They can be recognized on the basis of the varieties of the trees which are found in each of them. These are tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest, tidal forest, mountain vegetation. Now, first comes the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found in regions that receive high annual rainfall of over 200 centimeters. Now, tropical rainforests, where are these forests found? They are found in the regions where high rainfall occurs over 200 centimeters. Owing to high rainfall conditions are favorable for the growth of trees in ocean. Now, owing to this high rainfall condition, favorable conditions are there which allow the growth of trees in all seasons. These trees are also known as evergreen forests because trees retain their leaves throughout the year. Now, these trees, they are also called the evergreen forests. Why are they called evergreen forests? Because they remain green throughout the year. That means the trees retain their leaves throughout the year. Rosewood, mahogany, ebony and a large number of hardwood trees are commonly found in the tropical rainforest. So, which type of trees are found in the tropical rainforest? That is rosewood, mahogany, ebony and large number of hardwood trees, they are commonly found. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are found in the regions that receive an annual rainfall of 80 to 200 centimeters. Now, where are tropical deciduous forests found? They are found in the region which receive annual rainfall, that is 80 to 200 centimeters. They face a long dry season, and this forest they face a very dry long dry season. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season and fresh leaves grow in the beginning of the rainy season. Now, during the dry season, what happens? Trees shed their leaves and fresh leaf grows with the beginning of the rainy season. These forests are also called the monsoon forest. Now, these forests, they are also called the monsoon forest. Examples of some deciduous forests, they are teak, sal and sandalwood. Teak, sal and sandalwood are economically useful trees found in this forest. Now, these trees, teak, sal and sandalwood, they are very much economically useful trees and they are found in this forest. Bamboos grow in the clumps between the trees. Even bamboos grow in the plug between the trees. There are less number of plant species. Now, very less number of plant species are found in the forest. Then, in the tropical rainforest, the tropical deciduous forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas from the Jammu to West Bengal and in most parts of Peninsula Plateaus and the Ganga Plains. Now, tropical deciduous forests, where are they found? They are found in the foothill zone of the Himalayas and from Jammu to West Bengal and even most parts of the Peninsula Plateau and the Ganga Plains. Most of these forests have been cleared for cultivation except in hilly and mountain. Now, most of these forests, they have been cleared for cultivation except in hilly and mountainous region. Now, thorn forest. Thorn forests occur in the regions of low rainfall. Now, where thorn forests occur? Thorn forests occur in the places where there is very little rainfall. They have short stunted trees such as acacia, thorny bushes and shrub. Now, these thorn forests, what type of trees they are? They are short trees, stunted trees and examples of thorn forest, acacia, thorny bushes and shrub. The plants have deep root and thick thorny or waxy leaves. Now, these type of plants, what they have? They have very deep roots and thick thorny or waxy leaves. These plants are adapted to the dry condition. Now, these plants, what are they adapted? They are adapted to the dry condition. This forest occurs in the arid areas of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab and now these forests, where they occur? They occur in the arid. Arid means deserted area of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. They are also found in the interior region of Peninsula. Even these forests are found in the interior region of Peninsula Plateau. Tidal and mangrove forest. In the coastal regions, they are subject to tidal changes in sea level. Mangroves are found. Now in coastal region, what happened? Which are subject to tidal changes as in the sea level, mangrove forests are found. They are mostly common in the Sundarban areas of West Bengal, or Sundari trees are common in this area. Now these forests, they are very commonly, these trees are found in the Sundarban area of West Bengal, and Sundari trees are very common in this area. Mountain forest. In the high mountain region such as the Himalayas, the type of vegetation changes with the change in altitude. Now in high mountainous area, now for example Himalayas, this type of vegetation always changes with altitude. This is because temperature decreases with increase in height above the. Why it happens? Because temperature decreases with increase in height above the sea level. In the foothill region, there are tropical deciduous. Now, foothill regions, what are found? That is tropical deciduous forest. These forests are mainly economically useful trees. Now, these forests, what are they? They have many economical useful trees such as sal, subtropical forest are found at higher level. Now, this what type of? That is subtropical. These forests have economically importance and such as sal. Now, subtropical forests are found at higher levels and they are trees such as oaks and chestnut. Now, subtropical forests, where they are found? They are found at a very high level, that is high altitude, and they have the trees that is oaks and chestnut. Coniferous forests are found between an altitude of 1500 meter and 3300. Now, coniferous forests, where are they found? They are found at a height of 1500 meter and 3300 meter. The common trees are pine, cedar, silver, firs and deodar. Now, common tree found in this forest, that is pine, cedar, silver, firs and deodar. Above 3300 meter, alpine meadows and shrubs occur. Now, above 3300 meter, alpine meadows and shrubs also occur. This continue up to the snowline beyond the snowfields above. Now, where it continues up to the snowline, that is beyond the snowfields are found. The height limits for different types of forest vary according to the climate. Now, the height limits for different types of forest, it always varies according to the climatic condition. Now, take out your diary, write chapter 9, India, Natural Vegetation, Wildlife and Conservation. Topic, vegetation wealth in India, explained, homework, revise it. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.